Welcome to Jet Tutor channel. This is Python 101 part 7. For people who are familiar with my channel can skip this part. I will tell newcomers quickly why you need a Python. Learning Python as a beginner opens a world of possibility due to its user-friendly syntax and versatility. Python's readability makes it an ideal first language, allowing beginners to focus on problem solving rather than grappling with complex syntax. Moreover, Python is widely used across various domains, providing a strong foundation for diverse career paths. Whenever you are interested in Python development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, or automation, Python offers a seamless entry into these fields. Its applications span from building websites and application to delving in data science, machine learning, and more. As a result, mastering Python not only equips beginners with valuable programming skills, but also positions them for exciting career opportunities in technology, software development, data science, and beyond. If you are interested in learning from the beginning, please find the link under my video. Before diving into the Python lesson, please like and subscribe my channel. Okay, what does it mean by immutable data type? Immutable is as follows. When you see, you create a list A equal 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you select the list A equal 2 equal 1, 0, 1, and then when you print, it's 1, 0, 1. So because the element is affected by the changing of new values of that variable, this is called mutable. What about the immutable? Immutable is like, for example, string A equal ABCD, and then we choose the second index, string A 2 equal E. This is immutable because there is an error. At this point, you might ask why immutability is so important. Well, immutability makes it easier to reason about your code since you can be confident that the state of your data remains unchanged throughout the lifetime of the application. Easier debugging since the data doesn't change. It becomes easier to track down bugs in your code. Okay, now a tuple is also an immutable data. It is useful when you have data that needs protection against being overwritten in your program. For example, how do you construct an immutable data type or a tuple? In this case, tuple A equal 10, tuple B equal parenthesis 10, This is the two ways to write and declare tuple. Or for the 4 elements, you will do like this, with comma or without commas. With tuple data, now is the time how can we unpack a tuple. Once we have a tuple like tuple A equal 10, 20, and 30, so we simply just call 3 variables, element 1, element 2, element 3 equal tuple, and then we print, then we get all the value from the tuple. So here, this is another exercise. It's called Palindrome. It is a palindrome word if it can be read the same way, backwards and forwards. Rider, level, civic, reviver. These are the palindrome words. If palindrome, then first and last, second and second last need to be the same characters, and so on and so forth. So now, I would like you to create a function that return true if a word is palindrome and false otherwise. Function will be called is palindrome and its parameter is a string. Okay, please take 10 minutes of your time to try to figure it out, and if you feel like you wanna skip this part, or you are ready to see the solutions, you can skip this part and see the solution how I did problem. So to solve this problem, first we define the function called is palindrome. Take the string word. Then we will check what is the middle index. Will this word be odd and even first? If it's odd, so it means that the modulo 2 is equal 1. But if it's even, modulo equals 0. So modulo equals 0, we will pick the last index to be the length over 2. But if it's odd, we will pick length string word minus 1 over 2. Then we make it to be int because we want to put it as an index. So we check all the index range from 0 to that last index to check. And the first element, the first character need to equal last characters and so on and so forth. Then we don't have to do anything. But if we detect that it's not the same, then return false, not a palindrome. Okay, let's try. Is palindrome ABCBA is true. But what is another way around? Is palindrome ABC. Okay, wait for a second. It's return false. So that is not palindrome. Python 101 part 7 finished. If you like this content and don't want to miss it for the next week, don't forget to subscribe my channel. I am creating this video content every week. And thank you. Bye.